Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is Vidhi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be creating this beautiful everyday casual look. It's super easy to get and it's super gorgeous. So if you wanna know how I get this look, then please continue watching. And before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated to all the new videos that I upload every single time. And all the products that I will be using in this video will be linked down below in the description box, so don't forget to check them out as well. And if you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up. And without any further ado, let's get started. So first things first, I have nothing on my face. I've already moisturized it, and now I'm going to start off with priming it up. And for primer, I'm going to be taking the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, and I'm gonna just spread it all over my face to all those areas which I feel that I have pore, and just to fill them up to give my skin a clean canvas so that I can apply my makeup and it can smoothly go on with it. Next, I'm moving on for serum, and to add some hydration to my skin, I'm taking this serum and applying it on my forehead, on the cheeks, on the chin, on the nose, because I have a dry skin, and that's why, just to hydrate a little so that my skin is nicely moisturized, hydrate, and my skin is good for makeup. So that's why I do a lot of steps before makeup, and it is important to do. Make sure that you are leaving 10 minutes gap between your priming and your makeup. For now, it's time for the lip hydration. I'm taking a Nivea lip balm. It is in more fruity flavor. I'm taking this. Now moving towards the foundation, I'm taking the Superstay foundation from Maybelline, and I'm gonna just dot it all over my face. I'm leaving my forehead. I'm just gonna apply it rest of my face, leaving my forehead, because whatever will be left over on my sponge, damp beauty sponge, I'm gonna go all over it. So I am using very tad bit amount of it. Whichever is left on my brush, I'm just picking that up and start blending it. I've just observed that you guys love watching daily casual makeups, because because casual makeups are like easy to do, and they are like a 5-minute glam or a 10-minute glam, and it's easy to pull off these looks. Yes, so I will be doing more casual looks, and there are more coming to your way. So if you like this video, then please drop a heart in this video so that I will be notified. Now for concealer, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro HD concealer, and I'm gonna apply it on the usual areas, on the inner corners and outer corners of my eyes. On my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin area, and around my mouth, and also on the hollows of my cheek a little, because I have some dark spots, and on my forehead. And I'm gonna quickly start blending it up. So I always start from downwards. I do not directly touch my eyes, because I want the concealer to set in a little bit to get a good amount of coverage, and this trick works, so you can also try it. I'm gonna touch my eyes at the very last. And guys, do let me know what you would like to see, what tutorials you want me to have, so that I will be updating those. Now for setting my face, I'm taking the Fit Me Loose powder, and I'm just gonna set up my lids and under eyes, and whatever is left on my sponge, I'm just gonna damp it all over my face. Now for brows, I'm taking the Etude House Drawing My Brows in the shade Dark Brown. I'm just gonna fill up my brows a very bit, because it is more of a casual kind of look, everyday types. So yes. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm taking the Maybelline The Rock Nudes palette and taking that brown shade, and just gonna start working on the transition. I'm not working on basically transition but on my crease, because I want a very little amount of pigmentation. I'm not doing very loud eyes or something. I'm just gonna keep it very bare to minimal. So I'm just starting off with putting the color on it, and until I'm happy with the type of color pigmentation that I want. And next I'm taking that light bright shade. It has a pink tint to it. The camera is not picking it up, and I'm gonna apply it all over the center of my lid so that it gives me a bright under eye. So guys, there is a trick. If you have small eyes, try to use brighter colors on your lid so that it actually helps your eyes to just look more bigger, and it actually helps. So if you have a small eyes or small eyelids, always use bright eyeshadows on the lid. It automatically accentuates your eyes and make them bigger. For bronzer, I'm taking the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. Yes, bronzer. And I'm gonna apply it on the usual areas that I like to, on the hollows of my cheeks, on the jawline, and a little bit on my forehead as well. I'm not using contouring over here because it's like an everyday casual look and nobody does that. So yes, I'm finishing up my eyes, and I'm also tightlining my waterline with some Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner. I'm just gonna apply it. And next I'm taking a pen liner, and I'm in black color. I'm just gonna line my upper lash line. I have some of those lucky days which my wing liner come out to be perfect, because I am not so good at it. I'm still practicing, I'm still learning. So yes, but if you are a pro at wing liner, then do let me know in the comment section. For mascara, I'm taking the Kiko Milano Lengthening Mascara over here. I'm just gonna brush through my lashes, and it is a really lightweight and very lightening mascara. It does not feel or heavy onto the lashes, which I really like about this one, and that kind of mascaras I really prefer. And lastly, I'm just gonna add up some blush to my face. I'm taking this dark peach shade. I'm just gonna pop it onto the cheeks just for a natural blushiness. Yes, so I'm just gonna do that. And I'm gonna quickly finish up my look with some highlighter and lipstick and come back. And this is the final look that I came up with. So guys, if you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated to all the new videos that I upload every single time. And if you like this, then do let me know. If you are a pro at wing liner game, then do let me know in the comment section below and your thoughts about this look, and I will really appreciate it, and it will mean the world to me. Till then, take care, bye bye.